does cover well.
Sorry?
It does cover well.
How well that's going in there, but does that really matter?
Yes. Need to get.
Well, I can't do that. You'll wind up with black stripes over your trousers. Alright, this is going to be much more difficult. Okay, no.
Sorry.
Okay.
I put my finger in there so you don't clank.
Right. In order to do that long bit...
Do that bit, that under bit.
What, this bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's that.
Okay.
Now all we can do is stand it upright.
Yeah, the light out here is really bad, isn't it? Let me come follow you round because I want to be downwind of this because this stuff stinks. One thing I do say about it, it goes on.
I wouldn't stand there.
No, the wind's blowing the opposite way.
If I wind up with black stripes on my bike, I'm going to kill you.
Beg your pardon? Threatening to kill me.
Okay. I suppose I'll have to leave that bottom rim until the very end.
Why?
Just spray it on there?
Yeah.
Like that? Alright. Right, what about the honeycomb?
Yep. Obviously light because 90% of it's going to go through.
Yeah, well 90% of it's going to burn off anyway as soon as you start the engine. Okay.
Okay. It does seem to go a long way. How much got left in that can, would you say?
Not a huge amount.
Alright, so we're going to need another one.
What, for mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there enough in there to give everything a second coat should it need it?
If it needs it, there's enough to, you know, to tidy up, patch up and so on.
Yeah, because inside that rim needs more.
Yeah, the only problem is that we need the inside of that rim unpainted so that we can pick the thing up.
No, what are you talking about? I'm talking about the inside of this bell.
Oh, round here? Oh, God.
No, I wouldn't do it now, because if you fucked up the paintwork, we've got to take it all off. Here you go. That's everything dusted with the paint. It's not quite dry yet, because that's still got a bit of a sheen on it. But that's, you can see how that's matte. Well, not matted out, that's the wrong word, isn't it? Because it's not matted.
It's sort of silked out.
It's silked out. Yeah? No, it's very difficult to tell. But what I can do is, because this is practically dry, this is one we painted. See, look. Alright, the exhaust has got more of a sheen on it, but we haven't polished this, and this is all internal, so it doesn't have to look identical, but the paint's a good match. Should you dent it or knock it, or the end cap there, not that you see it, let me show you Jeff's end cap. I might have to turn the light on. See, that's all you see. And as you can tell, it's pretty sooty where we've run it. I'll point you at the right place. Yep. And that's all you're going to see on when this is all put back together. And you know, a good sighted person would be glad to see it. But there you go. This doesn't need us. This is just us going over the top, isn't it? Just to make sure it's clean, rust free. But there you go. That is going quite well. All right then. We'll show you it when we piece it all together. Oops, get the camera right. Good morning. Another morning in the shed. Why was that zoom on? I don't know. Painted black cylinders. They've had a full day to dry. Just going to check the... Yeah, I haven't got the same amount of sheen on them, but okay. Painted bits. Time to put this together today. Let's see if we don't give this another shot across the top. Might do, might do. Well, what's happening is, actually, that's the sealant. This is high temperature gasket sealant, which is going to go around there, because that drops into there. But what's not going to happen, let me point the camera at me. What's not going to happen is not going to use the long shots, the Vance and Hines long shots. Let me just show you the Vance and Hines long shot. I'll get it out of the box. That's the bit we cut off. I'm not going to use the sorry about that. The Vance and Hines long shot. We won't be using it because a friend of mine was going to make up the a couple of top hats, a couple of bushes, top hat bushes to join the old pipe. Let me just show you then, because the short shots, long shots are so much longer and wider that they just don't fit, and the size of pipe size difference is huge. So a friend of mine is going to make up some adapters to fit them, but he's not home for a month or so. He's off in his motorhoming, sitting in the field watching ducks. So I've sent him an email with the drawings and the measurements for the connectors to connect the two together. So what I'm going to do is put the camera back round at this, place it all together, but just use the end. Just use that end in that can, and obviously put it back in the cannon, which is down there, and put all the packing around here. Seal it with silicone sealant so we can take it apart. So hopefully there'll be no welding. But there you have it, that's where we're up to. Got to take the exhaust off my bike. It's under its cover out there, so I should take the covers off and turn the bike round and stuff like that. So see you presently. See you presently.